Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today's video. I'm so happy to show you guys how I achieved this beautiful wig. It's a crochet um, wig. Yeah, I achieved it with just one braided hair. So stay tuned and I'll be showing you how I achieved it. Thank you. So guys, what you'll be needing for this look, you will need your rollers and then your extension braided hair. The extension hair I'm using is expression. I cut it into three and then stretch it out. So I take little portion of braided hair and then roll it on the rollers. While I'm rolling it on the rollers, I'm trying to twist the hair. I'm trying to twist the hair and then roll it, twist and roll it. That's just how I'm gonna do it until I finish rolling the whole of the braided hair on the rollers. So when you get to the last part of the hair, that's when it's remaining so empty and tiny, a little portion of hair. You just have to make that place tight, like you're making it very tight, so it does not pull out from the rollers. So right now, after rolling it, this is how it should be looking like. So I still have a little I still have some space at the rollers. So I'm just going to roll another hair for you guys to see one more time how it is. So this is the portion of hair I'm rolling. So I'm just going to twist the hair and then put it on the just the way you're seeing. I'm just going to fold the hair and then start twisting, rolling it on the rollers. Like I'm giving space in between the first one I did and then I start rolling it on the rollers. So like I said, when it's remaining little portion of hair, you just want to make sure you're making it very tight. So by the time you put hot water on it, it's not going to come out of the rollers. So the way like the portion the way the little portion that is remaining, you just want to make sure you tie it well, like so tight so it doesn't pull out of the rollers. So this is how it should be looking like. This is how the hair should be looking like after rolling it. So after rolling it, these are all the expression braided hair I rolled. So I'm just going to trim it. So after trimming it, I'm going to put it inside a bucket. Like this bucket I'm using is a small bucket. I don't know, I shouldn't have used this bucket. So if you're trying it, don't use small bucket like this. You need to use very big bucket or the white bath or something, so the water can enter all over the place. So I'm just putting water on it, and then what you're seeing, the white this thing is you're seeing is conditioner. So I just add a little conditioner so that it will be very soft. It will make the hair soft and easy to lose when you're ready to use it. So at this point, I finished putting the hair into hot water. So I'm just going to cover the hair up with a towel. So that's just what I'm doing here, and let the water dry. So after doing that, here is my net, the net I'm using. So I'm just going to put it on the mannequin head, and then after putting it, I use my wig pin to secure the wig, just to make sure when I'm rotating the hair, the wig does not start shaking or going one side and going the other side. So it's good when you use wig pin to secure your wig cap on the mannequin hair. Okay, so after securing the wig cap on the mannequin hair, after securing the wig cap with your wig pin, you just have to start crocheting the hair. I'll show you how I removed the braided hair from the rollers. I'll show you. I missed some, so but I'm gonna show you how it's been done. So this is how it is. Then you just start crocheting. At this point, we already know how we crochet our hair, so it's the same method I will crochet. I'm gonna leave it the link up there. So in case if you don't know how to crochet hair, you can watch my other video I made crochet, and you can watch it how I did my afro hair. So I explained well how to crochet your hair. So it's just the same method of how to crochet hair. So I'm gonna leave you guys to watch, and then so you understand and see for yourself how it is. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you've been watching my video, please go ahead and subscribe, consider subscribing. Also drop a comment at the comment section, like the video, encourage me by liking the video, by commenting, and also subscribe.
Sweet music. Oh, my study map. Mini, 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 mo. Ah, mini, 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 sweet music. Oh, Jesus, you the oh my soul. Jesus, you the oh my life. Just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for everything, Papa. You are the reason I'm singing, Papa. Oh, you are the reason I'm breathing, Papa. Oh, wanna thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Wanna thank you, thank you, thank you, Tata. I'll praise you, Lord, at all times. I'll constantly praise your name. You save me, Lord, from troubles. I'll constantly praise your name. I wanna thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Tata. Home is your Wendy Quisia, Tigwanje. Biona, 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 bianje, nebiawe. Reka kusime, webale, yebale, Tata. Yesu kusime, yebale, yebale, rugaba. I'm just a little boy on the street, trying to make life reasonable.
Okay, fam. I hope you all are feeling this like this audio track playing on the background of my video. I hope you guys are feeling it because like I as I am like this, I'm feeling the song like I'm feeling it seriously. It was sung by my friend. His name is Swiss Mose. It's from Uganda. In case you guys are wondering the language
Sweet
on it, the mixed language on it. So it's a Ugandan language. Yeah. So it's when he sent me the
Master
song
Lima.
last week, or was it last week or last 2 weeks? Because I played the song on my last video. So that's just what you guys will be hearing for now because I'm in love with the song. Like I'm so much in love with it. So I hope you guys are feeling it. If you do, please let me know at the comment section what you think about the music. To me, I love the music and I love it so much because the weddings alone says so many things. Like without God, we can do nothing. That is the Alpha, is the Omega. We all know how God is. Like anything you're doing, if you're not putting God first, it's not gonna come out to the it's not gonna come out well. So that's just what the song is all about. I'm gonna leave his Instagram link on the description box. Please guys, follow him up on Instagram. Please follow him on Instagram. He's a very nice guy. He has been so nice to me also. Yeah, so I hope you guys are feeling the song. Drop it at the comment section if you want to be hearing more of it. As I am, I've even made my decision. Like I'm gonna be playing the song back to back because yes, that's my medicine for now. Yeah, so guys, don't forget to follow him on Instagram and also follow me on Instagram if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram also. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are also enjoying the video. Like also enjoying the video.
I'm just a little boy on the street, trying to make life reasonable. I cannot do it by myself. Without you, I'm nothing, Papa. What can I do without you, Papa? What can I do without you? Thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Thank you. If you trust the Lord, please take him personal. If you love the Lord, please take him personal. He is the Alpha and Omega. He's the beginning and the end. Oh, I love you, God.
It's who I'm in the mix.
Sweet Mose. Oh,
Master Lima.
mini, 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 mo. Ah, mini, 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 sweet Mose. Oh, Jesus, you the honor of my soul. Jesus, you the honor of my life. Just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Just wanna say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for everything, Papa. You are the reason I'm singing, Papa. Oh, you are the reason I'm breathing, Papa. Oh, wanna thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Wanna thank you, thank you, thank you, Tatawe. I'll praise you, Lord, at all times. I'll constantly praise your name. You resave me, Lord, from troubles. I'll constantly